Class 8 Science Chapter 17 Stars and the Solar System, and in this video we will discuss about constellations. The stars forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called a constellation. Constellations were devised by ancient people to be able to recognize stars in the sky. The shapes of constellations resemble objects familiar to those people. See this diagram. Some constellations in the night sky. This one represents Great Bear or Ursa Major. This one is Orion. This is Cassiopeia. This is Leo Major. Okay, about these three we will discuss in this video. First come to the Ursa Major. It is also known as Big Dipper, the Great Bear, or the Saptarishi. It can be seen during summertime in the early part of the night. There are 7 prominent stars in this constellation. It appears like a big ladle. Ladle means chamcha or chammach, karchi, or a question mark. There are 3 stars in the handle of the ladle and the 4 in its bowl. See this diagram. These 3 stars, 1, 2, 3. This is the handle of ladle, and 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 stars in its bowl. The shape of the constellation remains the same. The constellation appears to move in the sky from east to west. This actually dipper used for drinking water in ancient times. Mythological story about Ursa Major. Saptarishi has been associated with 7 well-known ancient Indian sages. Sages means rishi, sant. According to ancient mythology, the 7 sages who formed the Saptarishi preserve the eternal. Eternal means Anant or Avinashi. Eternal knowledge of Vedas and explain it to people in every new age. See, these 2 diagrams are shown here. At the different age, these 7 rishis were there, and on the name of these rishis, these stars of the Saptarishi were named. यानी सप्तऋषि में जो प्रोमिनेंट 7 स्टार आते हैं उनके नाम इन ऋषि के नाम पर रखे गए हैं. जैसे आप वशिष्ठ के नाम से परिचित होंगे, ठीक है, गुरु वशिष्ठ. These are the different names of rishis. Locating the pole star. With the help of this Saptarishi, we can locate pole star. And for this, we will discuss one activity. This activity should be performed on a clear moonless night during summer at about 9 p.m. Look towards the northern part of the sky and identify Ursa Major. Look at the 2 stars at the end of Ursa Major. See this diagram? These are the 7 stars of Ursa Major. Clear? Now we have to look towards these 2 stars at the end. Imagine a straight line passing through these stars. This line we have to imagine. Extend this imaginary line towards the north direction. This इसको आप extend करिए. This will lead to a star which is not too bright, and this is pole star. This one. You will observe that the pole star does not move at all as other stars drift from east to west. In the previous video, we have discussed detail about this pole star and what is the reason that it does not appear to move. Okay, we have discussed in the previous video. Now let us see one more activity. During a summer night, observe Ursa Major 3 to 4 times at an interval of 2 to 3 hours. यानी कि हर 2-3 घंटे में इस अर्सा मेजर को देखना है. In the same time, also locate the pole star. Then what do you observe? Ursa Major appears to move from east to west. It appears to revolve around the pole star. See this diagram. Ursa Major moves around the pole star. This is pole star. और जब आप अलग अलग समय पर इस सप्तऋषि को देखते हैं तो ये आपको इस तरह से दिखाई देगा. तो ये इसके पोल स्टार के चारों तरफ रिवॉल्व कर रहा है. In fact, all the stars appear to revolve around the pole star. Now, next constellation is Orion. Orion can be seen during winter in the late evenings. It also has 7 or 8 bright stars. See this diagram. Orion is also called the Hunter. The 3 middle stars represent the belt of the Hunter. These. The 4 bright stars appear to be arranged in the form of a quadrilateral. The star Sirius, which is the brightest star in the sky, is located close to Orion. It means with the help of Orion, we can locate this brightest star Sirius in the sky. Locating Sirius. To locate Sirius, imagine a straight line passing through the 3 middle star of Orion. These are the 3 middle star. और यहाँ से आपको एक लाइन को इमेजिन करना है. ठीक है, ये लाइन आप इमेजिन करिए एंड लुक अलोंग दिस लाइन टुवर्ड्स द ईस्ट. ईस्ट की तरफ आप यदि आप देखते हैं, ठीक है, तो आपको ये ब्राइट स्टार नजर आएगा और इसी स्टार का नाम है दिस इज सीरियस. Cassiopeia. This is the another prominent constellation in the northern sky. It is visible during winter in the early part of the night. It looks like a distorted letter W or M. Distorted का मतलब होता है बिगड़ा हुआ. जैसे देखिए आप, ये आपके पास W या M, but this is not a perfect W or M. This is distorted. Okay. A constellation does not have only 5 to 10 stars. It has a large number of stars. See this diagram. However, we can see only the bright stars in a constellation with our naked eyes. All the stars which make up a constellation are not at the same distance. Okay, thank you. Subscribe my channel to get the next video from this chapter.